My name is Mitchell White. I'm in the plumbing and heating trade, and I'm a senior. I picked this shop because it interests me, and I figured I like working with my hands, and I can't really see myself sitting down at an office at a computer for the rest of my life. So I always got to be doing something, moving around and physical work. So one of my favorite projects is actually, or any project really, is just when I leave out of my shop and I actually get to go down to the other technical areas and work on various plumbing related equipment, such as the sinks or the toilets and even the water heaters, or anything you really can think of. After I graduate, I'd like to move in with my dad in New Hampshire and go to a community college for 2 years in Manchester, and then probably finish up the other two at a regular college like Briggs State University and continue with plumbing.
Hi, I'm Keelan Berry. I'm a sophomore in plumbing and heating. I joined the shop because I found it interesting when I was working over the summer before freshman year, and I liked it. I found that I could do it really well and just stick with it. Currently I just finished a water heater. I've been working on shower valves and other various projects that you can find in a house. When I graduate, I want to either go and work as an apprentice for going out to get my master's license, or I'll go out and get my journeyman license and then work at the MBTA.